Hi friends, I am Vivek from Digitechno Solutions, and today we are going to see how much difference in cost per lead and quality of those leads you can get just by setting up a fundamentally sound Facebook ad campaign. Also to highlight that this is a part of a webinar jam lead generation campaign for my client in which their goals were reduced cost per lead and better quality of qualified leads for the conversion of his course sales during the end portion of his webinar. So the objective is to target potential customers of his courses who might be interested in the industry in which my client is operating, and over this those people who might be interested to learn insights in this industry through the courses which my client would offer or sell during the webinar. To achieve the above mentioned goals, we need to rely upon the Facebook algorithm and AI learning of Facebook. What I did is I set up a Facebook pixel properly and defined on Webinar Jam and defined what a conversion really is, and then set up a custom audience and daily budget. After that, I let Facebook AI to do its work, or rather learning whom, why, and when to target. Now it is Facebook's headache. And in 5 days, you see, we gained more than 500 enrollments. That is more than 2.5 times of what it used to fetch earlier using the same ad copy. So let me show you the results. So as you can see, I just refreshed it. The cost per click has reduced from 3.11 to 0.95. So this is the current campaign which I am running, and this was the earlier campaign which I'm comparing it with. The CTR has improved from 1.76 to 5.99, about approximately 6. So this is again more than 3 times. Similarly, you can see the cost per link click reduced from 7.78 to 2.54. Okay, now we can see that the CPM, the cost per 1000 impression, has remained more or less the same. So what has changed for us is because of the quality of audience which we are getting a higher CTR, and essentially that is why only we are getting a lower cost per click. So this is how a Facebook campaign essentially works. So when you increase the CTR, the cost per click reduces. And as you can see, for both these webinars, the ad copies are the same. You can see from the image, it is the same. These are the two ad sets. So this is the current one, and this is what my client has set up earlier. As you can see, what he has done is essentially he has selected audiences based upon geography and interests, which is not advisable for a new campaign. What you should be doing is you should define an audience. So for example, an audience who has watched a YouTube video of yours, or an audience which has seen a Facebook video of yours, an audience who has shared your content, liked your content. So when you define a custom audience, and then so when you define an audience, and then when you define a lookalike audience, and then you run the ads on the lookalike audience, you will uh, fetch far better results. I can quickly show you the type of audiences which I have defined. So you can see from the type, these are the custom audiences who has engaged with any FB post or ad, 25% view video, 75% view YouTube video. And based upon these custom audiences, then we have like lookalike audiences, and I have used this lookalike audiences for targeting my potential customers. So this is essentially how, if you want to run a good campaign, you have to build your customer base, potential customer base, and target those. For more details, how to set up a good campaign, a good custom audience, and a lookalike audience, you can contact me and I can guide you through. So thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video.